From a strange naked man to a slippery snake, this next video from a Reddit user named Objective and Biased must have been quite a surprise. Check it out. A snake is climbing up the wall next to the Ring doorbell camera. It just keeps going up. And up. And up. And up some more. It's a really big snake. At one point, you can see some birds swooping down at the snake. The homeowner said the snake seemed to be after a bird's nest on the roof. When they saw the video, they rushed home during their lunch break with a shovel and a rake, but they couldn't find the snake anywhere. Most people jokingly said the snake now owns the house, and they might have to move or do something extreme to deal with it. A TikTok user named Transfer King posted this video with the caption, "Found this on our doorbell camera at around 2 a.m. to 3 a.m., which is known as the Devil's Hour. Creepy as hell. And years ago, right where we live was an old railroad."
What the hell? What is that, Mom?
What?
Mom, you see this?
What the hell is that?
What is happening? You guys see this? Oh my god, what the is happening? What is that? What is that?
This odd doorbell video displays a man walking up to a stranger's front porch with a strange look on his face, before the video suddenly stops.
Yeah.
Check out this really strange video of a woman messing with someone's mail. This next one is not scary at all. It's a bit of a refreshment from all the other spooky videos. A Reddit user named Silverado Surfer 16 was waiting for their DoorDash lunch in South Dakota when they got an unusual surprise at their door. Check it out.
No, I'm not who you're expecting, but your driver got arrested for things in here. So I figured I'd complete the DoorDash for you. Take care. Thanks!
A Sioux Falls police officer delivers the DoorDash order and says that the delivery driver was just arrested. The homeowner is surprised, but still happily takes her meal.
Take care. Thanks!
It looks like the police force's motto might need an update to include protecting and serving your lunchtime treats, right?
But your driver got arrested for things in here. So I figured I'd complete the DoorDash for you. Take care. Thanks!
In this video, a stranger approaches someone's front porch and rings the bell.
Hello?
Is anybody home? Hello? Anybody answer the door? Oh, fingerprints again?
Can anyone understand the last sentence he says here? The uploader of this video was home alone when a neighborhood thief and drug addict rang their doorbell. The uploader asked her husband to answer through the speaker because she didn't want him to know she was there. He insisted on speaking to someone in person and eventually left. He returned with a notepad, peered through the front windows, and snooped around the driveway. The husband arrived and told him to leave. The strange man then threatened to harm the couple and stood outside muttering to himself for an hour. A man received a motion detection notification from his doorbell camera late at night and saw this. The homeowner checked their cameras later to discover that this man was in their backyard, attempting to hide from the police.
Can I help you back there? What do you know?
This TikToker posted a strange video with the caption, "Attempted break-in. Man just tried to break into our house. Please be careful." Rang the doorbell and knocked nonstop for 2 or 3 minutes. The person who posted this video thought it was a maintenance man coming from their apartment. But it turns out this man was far creepier than expected. This doorbell footage captures a man pacing back and forth in front of someone's front door at 3:17 in the morning. In this video, a man's wife called him in a panic because someone was trying to break into their house, and this is what he saw. The caption on this eerie TikTok video reads, "My 5-year-old said 2 guys were driving by really slowly and pointing at him. Good thing I told him to come in if he sees any strangers." Take a look at this genuinely creepy doorbell footage posted on TikTok that nobody has been able to figure out. The user who posted this TikTok video claims that the doorbell camera footage shows a creepy figure. In this Facebook video, a San Diego resident received a notification of a visitor, and when he checked his phone, he saw a supposed door-to-door salesman, which made him understandably suspicious. He confronted the person and it turned out the man was wanted for 19 burglaries. Police eventually arrested him after a car chase shootout.